Hello, everyone. We are very happy to meet you virtually through this workshop at the OW2 conference. So today we are going to introduce you the Horizon Europe Frame Program, which is a program for 7 years with a huge budget of 95.5 billion euro dedicated to the research and development and also innovation. So next slide, please. First of all, I just want to introduce you your support team, which is a French Digital National Protein Coding teams. We are 4 people. I'm the lead of the team. I'm Isabelle de Sutter, and I'm working for the MES3, which is a Ministry of Education, High Education, Research, Innovation in Paris. And also with me, we have Gaël Mogis, Armand Nachef, and Smail Nia. And all of us are a center for you when you need any information, help, guiding. And we can describe us as a one-stop shop for Horizon Europe. What we do, what we can offering, we inform, we raise your awareness about the program, and also we help you to select any kind of program, looking for partners, and so search for complementary partners. Also, we have different occasion to offer you matchmaking events. And finally, we also have some communication support like a website. On the website, you will find also a dedicated page, which is fully completely informing any kind of activities, event, information for digital calls for proposal. Next slide, please. This is what you and how you can find this site. So www.horizoneurope.gov.fr. I think for my part, it's fine. And I would like now to let the floor to my colleague Smail, who will present the program and also the last call you can apply. So, Smail, the floor is yours. Smail, your microphone.
Yes, thank you, Isabelle. So my name is Smail, and today we are going to introduce course in relation with Horizon Europe. So as you know, Horizon Europe is built with 3 pillars. So today I'm going to present course within pillar number 2 or pillar 2. In this pillar, we have different clusters. So we are in cluster 4, and this cluster 4 contains 3 different areas. So the area we are interested by today is digital. So let's look how this different course can be presented. So before going in details about the course, one thing we have to take into account in the writing or in the proposal is the case strategic orientation. So within this course, 2 important KSO or case strategic orientation must be presented or must be included in the proposal. First, KSO is promoting an open strategic autonomy by leading the development of K digital enabling and emerging technologies, sectors, and value chain. And the second KSO is how to make Europe the first digital enabler, circular, climate neutral, and sustainable economy. So as probably you know, in Horizon Europe, we have 3 main type of actions or project, if you want. Research and innovation action, innovation action, and coordination and support action. Eligibility criteria, each proposal must contain at least one independent legal entity in a member state and at least two other independent legal entities in different member state, in a different member state or associative countries. So here you have the page limit. So the page limit for the proposals I'm going to present are 45 pages because the proposals or the calls concern either Air, IE, or IA. We don't have CSA in the calls. Let's start by destination 4. Destination 4, we have different topics. The topics that are related to the calls are topic number 5 and 6. Let's start by the call related to number 5. So number 5 is innovation in AI or artificial intelligence, data and robotics. As Isabel mentioned, the deadline is 16 of November 2022. The first call is 0205 and the title is Artificial Intelligence, Data and Robotics for Industry Optimization. So this call is related to the public and the private partnership AI, data and robotics. So what is the expected outcome of this call? The expected outcomes are one of the two mentioned here, the two outcomes, either advancing for the optimization of production and services, or AI for adapting production or services workflows to changing environment. Let's look what is desired or what is looked for from the Horizon Europe point of view. So what the topic or the proposal must maximize the impact or have a maximized impact. So the proposal must be dedicated to major industrial sectors. In this call, it is highly encouraged to have combination of AI, data and robotics. What the Horizon Europe does not want is to have a proposal with major research components, because we are here in AI, we have here in innovation action, so the TRL must be high, but the proposal must be built on latest development. The second call will be in the domain of tomorrow's deployable robots, and the call is number 0206. The title is Pushing the Limit of Physical Intelligence and Performance. So this call is a research and innovation action, so the TRL will be relatively low. The outcomes are robot with advanced physical functionalities beyond those offered by the human operator, or robot with improved abilities and robustness to adapt to changes in environments, energy, and it must be energy efficient. What the Horizon Europe is looking for in this project is to have a project which must be ambitious, highly visible or with high visibility, and it must be real multidisciplinary. What the Horizon Europe does not want in this proposal or in this call is to have proposal where the applications are limited, have limited impact, or those which are not driven by project objectives. Now the last call in this domain, in the domain of digital and emerging technologies. So the call is 0207. The title is Increased Robotics Capabilities Demonstrated in Key Sectors. As the previous calls, the call is within the partnership AI, data and robotics. What are the expected outcomes? The expected outcomes are to build demonstrator to show robotics performance in major application sectors, or to propose demonstrations or demonstrators which are beyond of human performance, especially in complex tasks. What Horizon Europe is looking for is to have proposals with high impact sectors with major benefits, and what is not desired in this project is to have incremental project or a project with application of limited impact. So this is the three calls within this topic. So let now go to destination 6. So in destination 6, The title is Human-Centered and Ethical Development of Digital and Industrial Technologies. We have two calls. The first call is 0201 with the title is AI or Artificial Intelligence for Human Empowerment. As the previous calls, so this call is within the partnership AI, data and robotics. So we have here two focus, either realizing mixed human AI initiative for human empowerment, or a reliable, trustworthy hybrid decision support, including approaches from mixed decision making. So what is meant by mixed decision making, as explained here, is to have a proposal where we combine the best from human and the best from machine. So we want to have a combination between these two domains. What the Horizon Europe is looking for also is to have a multidisciplinary approach and transdisciplinary approach, especially those coming from social sciences and humanities, such as studying how user acceptance is evaluated or how user acceptance is included in the project. What the Horizon Europe does not want is to have works or projects which are disconnected from the industry or those with incremental progress or no ambition. The last call is 0202. So the title of this call is European Network of AI Excellence Centers. So as you may guess from the title, so the proposal here is to build or to organize research and actions and projects in Europe and to have this network of excellence. So the proposal should create network of excellence in the topics, in these topics. So the topics are how to build next generation AI systems to improve performance, how to have best European teams in AI in Europe, how to create strong visibility in Europe. And the project must be complement to the project which has been founded recently. And this project is on safety and security by design. What the proposal must focus on is to propose foundational research, like studying new emerging approaches in AI, data, and robotics, for instance, or to respect the roadmap which has been proposed by the SRIDA, the Strategic Research, Innovation, and Deployment Agenda of the public-private partnership on AI, data, and robotics. What the Horizon Europe does not want in this call is to have a network of excellence with second-class expert in AI, or to have disjoint effort from the AI community in Europe. So this is a very brief presentation of the course. So here we summarize the different course, the opening date, the deadline. So we have all the information here. And finally, before concluding, I would like to remind people and to invite people to attend the next brokerage, which will be organized with the PCN from Belgium, Luxembourg, Morocco, Tunisia, and of course from France. And the brokerage will take place in 12th of May 2022. Thank you very much.